Let's customize the mug using polymer clay. We're starting by using some brown clay and creating a bear. We're doing him sideways, making the feet stick out. Flatten the sides. Use water to stick all the parts together. We're adding the arms and the face. Shape it well and press it for it to stick. We're adding a little nose and lighter color. 2 little ears that we're going to flatten and shape around the head. One at the back and one at the side. Next, we're going to be adding texture to the bear using a pointy tool. Do that around the whole bear. Adding little dots to make him have fur. We're doing the same on the head. Make sure to follow the side of the hair. We're adding a little nose in black and 2 little eyes. Next, we're going to be using some white clay and we're going to create a doll. Giving her a skirt in white as well. Top of the dress and a little belt in white. We're adding an arm that will go over the bear. We're adding strands of hair in brown. Add as many as you want. We're adding a foxtail at the back and 2 little ears. We're going to add texture as well using a pointy tool. Make the tail look really fluffy. And here's the result. Add little love hearts. And there you go. So cute.